Can a Christian believe in evolution? Although this might surprise some of you, I think the answer is obviously yes. As long as you believe God is the creator, then the mechanism by which God created is secondary in terms of our salvation. But the more interesting question is, how do you consistently wed an evolutionary worldview with Christianity? So if we mean by evolution a blind, material, undesigned, undirected process, then it's hard to see how God could use a purposeless material process. I have no problem with somebody being a Christian in principle and believing in evolution. But it's where the devil's in the detail in the philosophical and theological questions that are important, how we consistently wed a blind material process with an intelligent process. That's where the questions and the problems really emerge.